Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another synthetic wig install. This wig is a 13-inch by 4-inch deep lace wig. It is also glueless and the lace is also transparent. This wig was also very full and bouncy and well constructed. As you can see, this lace is transparent and can also ensure that you get the melt that you deserve. The link to this wig will also be linked down in the description bar below. So if you guys are interested in this wig comes in many different colors and styles. So make sure you guys go grab you one. As you can see, my ball cap is already done. So I just go ahead and tint my ball cap using the Even Lace Tint Spray in the color medium brown. And you can get that from your local beauty supply store. Once that is done, I remove any makeup or excess spray from the perimeter of my head using a makeup wipe because I couldn't find my alcohol. But you can use a makeup wipe or alcohol using a cotton pad. After that is done, I apply my wig from the back. I don't use the flip over method because I just felt like that'll make the hair too messy. So I just apply my wig from the back to see how I want it to lay, or like if I want to do like a different part instead of a middle part. After I have applied my wig, I pin back the front and then I apply my yellow Got To Be Glued spray for today's adhesive. And then after I apply my Got To Be Glued, I ensure that the lace is laid down and I tie it with my elastic band. Ensuring that my lace is laid down and intact, I go over it with a blow dryer, and once that's finished, I proceed to cut the lace. After cutting the lace, I go back over the lace again with some more Got To Be Glue spray and the blow dryer to ensure that everything is intact and laid down. Now I'm just playing with the hair. It looked nice in the middle part, but I not more of a side part girl, so I'm just playing with the hair to see how I want it to lay and which way I want my curls to go. After playing with the hair, I chose to make my curls fall on the left side. So this is how it came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and the wig that I chose to put on today. So thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and stay tuned for more. Bye.